You're looking at machines most people scroll past, but these are quietly making money every day. In this video, I'll show you 10 incredible machines few people know about, and how each one can turn into easy income even on a small budget. 1. Automatic toothpick making machine. This is the automatic toothpick making machine. It takes bamboo or wood and shapes it into toothpicks. The process slices, sharpens, and polishes them ready for use. It comes with features like high precision for even sizes. Most models produce up to 600,000 toothpicks in 8 hours. They handle sticks about 2 millimeters thick and 65 millimeters long. Durability means they last through heavy use. You can run a business supplying restaurants and hotels. Demand stays high because toothpicks are daily essentials. With low bamboo costs, you might earn $500 to $1,000 monthly after expenses. Scale up by wholesaling to stores for bigger profits. But here's the problem. Products like toothpicks depend heavily on raw materials like bamboo. What happens when costs rise or buyers start demanding something more eco-friendly and modern? Is there a machine that taps directly into the green movement instead of fighting it? Let's move to the next idea. 2. Paper straw making machine. That brings us to something greener. The paper straw making machine creates eco-friendly straws from paper rolls. It winds, glues, and cuts them into usable lengths. Key features include speeds of 40 to 50 meters per minute. It makes straws from 5 to 11 millimeters wide. PLC controls make operation easy. Some add printing for custom designs. Build a business around bans on plastic straws. Sell to cafes and events for repeat orders. With high output, profits could reach $1,000 to $2,000 a month. Focus on bulk B, 2B sales to grow fast. Expect to pay $1,000 for small models up to $50,000 for advanced ones. Suppliers include Jada Machinery or Alibaba sellers. Common problems involve glue consistency. Test materials first. Competition from plastics means highlight your eco angle. Eco products sound promising, but there's a catch. When everyone jumps into the same green trend, competition becomes brutal, and margins shrink fast. So the real question is, what if you target a market where hygiene isn't optional but mandatory? Let's look at that next. 3. Disposable shoe cover making machine. Next, think about hygiene needs. The disposable shoe cover making machine forms covers from non-woven fabric or plastic. It seals and cuts them for quick production. It features speeds of 130 to 160 pieces per minute, weighs about 750 kilograms with 3.5 kilowatts power. Ultrasonic sealing ensures strong bonds. Start a business targeting hospitals and labs. High demand keeps stock moving. Non-perishable items mean easy storage. You could profit $800 to $1,500 monthly with steady clients. Prices range from $3,000 to $10,000. Look to Yugong Machinery or Hengyao in China. Be aware of sealing issues if voltage fluctuates. Stable power helps. Fabric quality affects durability too. Hygiene-based businesses are stable, but many rely on institutional buyers like hospitals, which can be slow to onboard new suppliers. So what if you had an eco product that sells both locally and internationally, with almost zero raw material cost? That's where the next machine changes the game. 4. Areca leaf plate press machine. Now for a natural option. The Areca leaf plate press machine shapes fallen palm leaves into plates. It presses and forms them without chemicals. Features include semi-automatic operation producing 3,000 plates a day. Runs on 220 volts with a 2-horsepower motor. Safe and robust for daily use. This fits an eco business exporting to events or stores. Leaves cost almost nothing. Premium appeal brings $1,000 to $2,000 monthly profits. Demand grows with green trends. Machines cost $700 to $2,000. Suppliers like Shri Ram Enterprises or Alibaba offer them. Issues include plates expanding in humidity, store them dry. Leaf preparation like soaking adds steps. Natural products sell well, but they also depend on seasons, storage conditions, and export logistics. So what about a product with consistent year-round demand, simple production, and almost no marketing effort needed? Let's go back to basics. 5. Small chalk manufacturing machine. Finally, something classic. The small chalk manufacturing machine mixes gypsum into chalk sticks for schools and workshops. It produces 400 to 800 pieces every 10 minutes. Compact and semi-automatic. Low power needs make it home-friendly. Supply schools for steady sales. Minimal competition means quick wins. Earn $200 to $500 a month starting small. Package in boxes for easy distribution. Prices begin at $500 up to $4,000. Chinese suppliers on Alibaba provide options. Watch for dust during mixing. Use masks. Drying time varies with weather. Low investment businesses are safe, but they also cap your growth potential. What if you could tap into emotional, cultural, and festival-driven demand, where sales spike naturally without ads? The next machine does exactly that. 6. Automatic cotton wick making machine. Let's explore a machine tied to traditions. The automatic cotton wick making machine turns raw cotton into wicks for lamps and religious uses. It spins and cuts them into perfect lengths for diyas and candles. Its features include high-speed output of 800 to 1,200 wicks per hour. Many models are motorized with automatic controls. They handle round or long wicks and run on low power, like 1 to 2 kilowatts. You can build a business around cultural demand. Supply temples and homes year-round. With tiny setup costs, profits might hit $300 to $800 monthly. Focus on bulk sales during festivals for more gains. Prices start at $200 for basic units and reach $600 for advanced ones. Buy from suppliers like IndiaMart or ASVR Engineering in India. Keep an eye on minor issues like temperature control drifting. Regular checks prevent uneven wicks. Cotton quality matters to avoid clogs too. Cultural demand is powerful, but many of these products aren't environmentally focused. So what if you combine recycling, eco-appeal, and industrial demand into one machine? That's where things get really interesting. 7. Mini egg tray making machine. Shifting to recycling ideas. The mini egg tray making machine transforms waste paper into protective trays for eggs or fruit. It pulps, molds, and dries them into sturdy shapes. Key features cover outputs of 1,000 to 2,000 pieces per hour. It's compact with low power needs around 2.2 kilowatts. Semi-automatic setup makes it user-friendly for small spaces. Run a business supplying farms and logistics firms. The eco-angle draws steady clients. With cheap paper inputs, you could earn $500 to $1,500 a month. Add fruit trays to boost variety. Expect prices from $3,500 to $10,000. Look to Alibaba or Best in Group for options. Watch for problems like inconsistent paper pulp. Test batches first. Drying can slow in humid weather, so plan ahead. Manufacturing is great, but what if you don't want to make a product at all? What if your business simply helps other manufacturers sell faster and scale easier? The next machine flips the usual factory model. 8. Automatic Agarbatti packing machine. Now consider packaging services. The automatic Agarbatti packing machine counts and seals incense sticks into pouches. It focuses only on packing, not making the sticks. It offers speeds up to 2,700 pouches per hour, counts 5 to 50 sticks accurately. Single-phase power and simple controls keep it efficient. This suits a B2B business packing for incense makers. High margins come from repeat orders. Profits may range from $800 to $2,000 monthly. Scale by adding clients quickly. Machines cost $3,000 to $5,000. Suppliers include Alibaba or Soham Tech's engineers. Be aware of sealing glitches if sticks misalign. Clean sensors often. Pouch material quality affects smooth runs. Service-based manufacturing is smart, but it limits you to one industry. So what if you owned a machine that could quietly serve multiple industries at once? Food, health, chemicals, and more, without changing your setup? Let's explore that. 9. Small powder mixing and blending machine. The small powder mixing machine blends spices, proteins, or detergents evenly. It handles dry powders for various uses. Features like V-shape or drum designs mix 2 to 50 liters. Low power draw makes it home or lab-friendly. Rotation ensures thorough blending without clumps. Start a business across industries like food or herbs. Flexible setups mean multiple income streams. You might profit $400 to $1,000 a month starting small. Prices begin at $500 and go to $2,500. Check Alibaba or LFA tablet presses. Minor issues include dust buildup. Use covers or masks. Overloading can uneven mix, so follow limits. Versatility is powerful, but raw materials like powders still need upstream processing. So what if you could control the source product itself? Something people consume daily and trust deeply. That's where the next machine stands out. 10. Bamboo stick making machine. Wrapping up with natural resources. The bamboo stick making machine cuts bamboo into sticks for ice cream, incense, or crafts. It slices and shapes them precisely. It produces up to 400,000 sticks in 8 hours. Profits could be $600 to $1,500 monthly. Grow by targeting global markets. Costs range from $1,000 to $7,700. Suppliers like Alibaba or Besta Machine offer them. You've just seen how small machines can solve real problems and quietly make money. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more practical business ideas. But knowing the idea isn't enough. Choosing the right one is what matters. Click the video on the end screen and watch it next. That one could change how you start.